Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to talk about AWS EC2 Instance. So we are going to create a WordPress website using EC2 Instance. So for that, let us log in into AWS. Well, so this is the marketplace. So right now I'm going to my AWS console. So here I'm typing EC2 Instance. So basically the EC2 Instance is a virtual server in Amazon's Elastic Computing Cloud for running the applications on the Amazon Web Services infrastructure. AWS is a comprehensive evaluating cloud computing platform, and EC2 is a service that allows the business subscribers to run application programs in the computing environment. So let's see how it actually works. So I'm just typing EC2 in the services, or you can directly click here and you can search accordingly. So I'm going to EC2. So in this I'm going to instances. So first we need to create an instance here. So go to the launch instance button. So just click launch instance. So there are a lot of different AMIs here. So that is Amazon machine image. So basically an Amazon machine image provides the information required to launch an instance. So you must specify a AMI when you launch an instance. You can also launch on multiple instances from a single AMI when you need to multiple instances with the same configuration. You can also use different AMIs to launch the instance when you need to instance with the different configurations. You can see here there are pre-configured AMIs. So here we need to go to AWS Marketplace, and I'm searching WordPress. So I'm using the starting one. So just select it. So this is the basic information about the tab that you have selected. So let's continue it. So here we need to select the instance type that is actually required. So here I'm using the basic one, that is the micro. So let's go to next configuration. So here I'm using enabling the public IP. So I'm just clicking enable, and next go to the storage. So here I'm leaving everything as default, and let's move to next one. So let me create a name tag here. So I'm just creating my name. So it is Ravi. So let's go into next configurations, and I'm just leaving it as default, and now click review and launch. So just check whether everything is correctly initialized, and I think everything is good to go. So just click launch. So here I'm using proceed without a key pair. So just launch the instance. So it takes some time to launch the instance. So I think it's launching now. So let's view the instance that we have created. So you can see here it's still pending. So it's running in the background, and it takes some time to successfully run this particular instance. So let's refresh it and just check whether everything is going correctly. So the status check is still running on, it's initializing. Let's wait for a few more minutes. let's refresh again. So well, it is completed. So let's click the instance ID. So we got here the IPv4 address. So let's copy it and paste in the browser, and let's see whether the WordPress blog is working or not. Well, you can see it, the WordPress blog is up and running correctly. So this is how you can create your own blog. So this is how you can use the WordPress blog using the EC2 instance. So hope you guys have understood the concept of creating the blog using the EC2 instance. And if you like the video, please click like button below, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys.